Put over here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You need to click here. It's for you.
Thanks. Wow, you have a new toy. I want to. Fun. Okay. No. Yeah. Money.
Put over here.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. Do you want new toys? Yay! We need new toys.
Okay, $5.
Oh no! No money. Me too.
Then you can do some work. Clean the floor and clean the garden.
Okay. Let's go. Done.
Good job, Alice. It's for you.
Thanks. Ready. I'm done.
Good job.
Thank you. Idea. New toys. Wow! I want new toys. We want more toys.
Okay, then you need to do some homework. You need to learn colors and numbers.
No. Don't worry, Alice. I can help you. Orange. 1. Yet. 2. Blue. 3. Yellow. 4. High five.
Wow! Well done! Teamwork is a good word. Ta-da! Girls, it's for you.
What do you want? Okay. Alice, we need the tools. Okay. Let's go. Thank you, Alice. Whoa. Which color would you like? Pink. Okay.
I like it! Thank you very much!
You're welcome.
Thank you so much!
Bye-bye. Who's next in line?
Huh? Me! Hello!
Hello, what do you want?
I want a new hairstyle!
Okay, Alice, we need the hairbrushes. Let's go! Thank you, Alice. Wait a minute.
Surprise, surprise!
It's time. Oh.
It's so blue! Maybe we try something else?
Okay. Ready. Oopsie.
I like it! Thank you!
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, bye!
Bye. I'm hungry. It's lunchtime.
Excuse me!
What? Next. Let's go.
Thank you! Ooh. No. I need a foot massage.
Okay.
Relax. I want a manicure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
So beautiful. I like it. Wow. It's so nice. And I want something for my hair.
Yeah. Alice, let's try this.
Oh, girls, thank you so much. I like it. Thank you very much. No need to change.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Alice, it's clean up time. Let's go. I think it's enough today. Okay. We are closed. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Hello.
Whoa! Apples? Idea!
Hey, what you need here?
Trick or treat!
Okay.
Hello! Thank you! Thank you!
You're welcome.
My turn! Huh? Alice, what's happening? Oh, I don't like this candy. Big candy. Alice, let's move there! Anybody here? Huh? Trick or treat!
Okay. Bye.
Let's go!
It's for me, it's for you. What is it? It's a spider? Yeah. Let's go grab new ones. Beep, beep, beep.
What do you want?
Trick or treat.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye bye. Huh? Again? I like an elephant. Huh? I don't like this candy. It's gross.
Hello.
Trick or treat. Okay. Candy chair. Bye. Bye. Let's go. Bye bye. What else? Let me try first. Okay. Huh?
What's happened?
Oh.
No more more candy for today. I have better idea. Girls, come with me.
Okay. These cookies are harmless. Let's decorate it.
Wow, I like it.
Now let's sprinkle, sprinkle.
Are you ready to try?
Yeah!